Hi guys, and welcome to a new YouTube video, and we'll be making cauliflower soup today. So it's really simple. We've got cauliflower, butter, some onions, we're going to use a bit of milk, and that is basically it. If you do like my videos and my content, please remember to put the big thumbs up underneath. It does a great deal, and so that's the likes and the comments down below, guys. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and you can get daily updates and press that little bell thing, and you'll be able to be notifications when I put new videos up. We'll be taking all these videos from my Twitch stream and editing them down so they're not so much talking in there, but more of the recipes themselves. Hope you guys enjoy it. Put it on low heat. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter into the pan. So in this pan, we're just going to melt down the butter, and that's going to be for, I think that's about, let's put about 100 grams of butter. Take the top and tail off the onion. We're just going to thinly slice this. So once the onions are soft, and we'll put a couple of pinches of salt in there. A good pinch of salt. So we're just going to take the cauliflower down, and we're going to save some of the leaves, because the nicer leaves anyway. Sometimes you get cauliflowers and they have beautiful leaves, and you can eat the leaves of the cauliflower, so this one's okay. So we'll save this one. It's going to be for our garnish later. Put it on this time on the chopping board. The rest of it, the other leaves we'll just get rid of. I'm just going to take the very bottom out. It's not very nice because it's very hard. So we'll get rid of that. And all you want to do is you want to cut it down, and you want to shred. You want to shred this cauliflower. You can grate it, which would probably be a good idea. But I'm just going to use I'm going to see how good my knife skills are. And it's finely sliced like so. And the thinner you slice it, guys, the better, because it cooks quicker. So all thing about soup, you want to cook the soup quickly. So as you can see, we've got this nice, beautiful, thinly sliced cauliflower. You can see the onions are slowly cooking down now, guys. So they're just going translucent. Once they've gone translucent, that is what we want. And then we'll put our cauliflower in. Cauliflower in now, because the onions have sweated down, and the moisture's come out. So we're going to add in our cauliflower. In goes all our lovely cauliflower. We're going to give that a mix around. I'm going to turn up the heat a slight little bit. I'm also going to put a splash of water in there, because we are going to put milk in there at the end, but this is just to help steam. And we'll put a lid on. Our cauliflower is starting to cook down, so all the moisture is coming out of the cauliflower. That's what we want. So we want to cook off that extra water. So we've got some oak smoked bacon. So it's going to take a few rations, and I'm going to layer them on top of each other. So we've just got the bacon like this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half. And we're just going to cut it very thin, or so, like this. And then what we're going to do, we're going to fry this in a tiny little bit of oil and a tiny little bit of butter. Okay, so we've got our bacon bits. So we've got little bacon bits. So we're cooking the cauliflower down. So once all this liquid goes from in here, guys, we're going to add the milk. So this pan should be getting quite hot. So we're going to pop our bacon bits in. The bacon sizzle. I love the sizzling sound of bacon. So as you can see, the bacon is just starting to colour. This is where we add in the butter. And then that will make foam around the bacon to continue to get crispy. A good glug of milk, because again, it is a soup, it's not a puree. So you want to make it. You want to make it to a soup consistency. Then what we'll do is we'll bring this to the boil and boil it for 2 minutes. Then it's almost done, and it's ready time to blitz. Lock and load, and let's just pop it here so we can get it. Okay, let's just check our cauliflower soup. How is it looking inside? Oh, looking very smooth. That's what we want. Let's get a spoon. Let's give it a taste. See how thick it is. Because we might need to add a bit more. It's a little thick. It's very delicious though. Okay, we're going to splash more milk to our cauliflower soup. Because obviously we are making a soup, not a puree, guys. We're going to add a bit more salt into our soup. It's always good to taste. Always good to taste, guys. So we're going to add a bit more salt into our soup. Let's add a bit of white pepper, because you don't want to add black pepper to a white soup, because then it will look odd. You have little black bits in there, look burnt. You don't want burn bits in your soup, guys. Or people think it's burnt bits. Okay, let's give that a taste. That looks more soupy. There you go. Oh, that's delicious, guys. So we're just going to pour our soup into the middle of the bowl. So we still want a nice thick soup. We don't want a thin soup. And we're going to put our crispy bacon bits on the top. So we've got a bit of bacon and we've got a bit of green. We're going to do a drizzle of olive oil onto our soup. So we've got a cauliflower soup here, guys. Just a bit of olive oil. We have made a really quick and simple cauliflower soup, guys. And in there we've literally butter, sweated down some onions. We then chopped up our cauliflower really fine, added that in, cooked that down. We used the lid to steam it slightly with a bit of water in there, and then we took the lid off, and then we finished with some milk, Blitz, finished with some white pepper and some salt. And I've done these little crispy bacon bits to go on the top, and we used the actual cauliflower leaves from YouTube. Hello, and thank you for watching this far. So please remember to thumbs up and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, guys.